وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ. And if you just ask Allah for forgiveness, He will extend you بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ, with money and children. All these benefits will open to you. Notice the form, right? يُرْسِل is connected with the next word with a kasra, right? Which makes it majzoom. Then yumdid, not yumiddu, it's yumdid. Then وَيَجْعَلْ, it's majzoom, majzoom, majzoom. The question is, why are they all majzoom? Why is there a sukoon at the end of every present tense? It's because this is jawab al-talab. There's talab on the one hand, istaghfiru rabbakum. And it says though in between, وَإِن تَسْتَغْفِرُوهُ. And if you were to ask forgiveness of Him, then these things will happen. What things will happen? The sky will rain water, abundant water. You will have more in money, and you will have more in children. And He will install gardens for you. And He will put together rivers for you. He'll install rivers for you. Life on this earth will become beautiful for you. If, what? You ask Allah for forgiveness. This is a passage about what are the benefits of istighfar. We thought the benefit of istighfar is forgiveness. Obviously somebody's asking for forgiveness. The greatest thing they're hoping for is forgiveness itself. Forgiveness comes with these benefits. وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ جَنَّاتٍ وَيَجْعَلْ لَكُمْ أَنْهَارًا. He'll put gardens out for you. He'll lay rivers down for you. مَا لَكُمْ. What is wrong with you people? لَا تَرْجُونَ لِلَّهِ وَقَارًا. You have no expectations from the grand nobility of Allah. You don't hope from Allah to show you dignity. وَقَدْ خَلَقَكُمْ أَطْوَارًا. And He's the one that already created you in stage after stage. Tawr means stage. Atwar means you were babies, then you were adults, and you've matured so much. He's the one that did that for you. أَلَمْ تَرَوْا كَيْفَ خَلَقَ اللَّهُ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ طِبَاقًا. Haven't you taken a look and reflected how Allah created 7 skies, one on top of the other in layers? وَجَعَلَ الْقَمَرَ فِيهِنَّ نُورًا. And in those skies Allah placed, within them He placed a light. وَجَعَلَ الشَّمْسَ سِرَاجًا, meaning the moon first, and then He placed the sun as a lamp. وَاللَّهُ أَنْبَتَكُم مِّنَ الْأَرْضِ نَبَاتًا. And Allah is the one who caused from the earth all kinds of things to sprout for you. أَنْبَتَكُم نَبَاتًا. All kinds of things to sprout for you. ثُمَّ يُعِيدُكُم فِيهَا. Then He's the one who brings it out, He returns it back to you from within it. Meaning the plants sprout and they give seeds, and you put the seed back in and it brings it back to more produce. He keeps giving you more and more out of the same food. وَيُخْرِجُكُمْ إِخْرَاجًا. And He continuously brings things out for you. وَاللَّهُ جَعَلَ لَكُمُ الْأَرْضَ بِسَاطًا. And He leveled the earth down for you and made it easy for you to walk on. لِتَسْلُكُوا مِنْهَا سُبُلًا فِجَاجًا. So that you can pursue from it all kinds of paths and go through all kinds of valleys. Fijaj means, open space between two mountains. Otherwise it's hard to tread and to tread that path. And He opened those roadways for you.